मैं गिरी तो लोगों ने हंसकर पूछा, मैं गिरी तो लोगों ने हंसकर पूछा, देखो फिर से ठोकर खाई। लेकिन ये किसी ने नहीं पूछा, उठकर चलने की ताकत कहाँ से आई।
सनेह पंथे सनेह कंठे सनेह पर्वत मस्तके सनेह विद्या सनेह वित्तम पंचेतानी सनेह सनेह।
When you educate a woman, you empower an entire family, an entire community, an entire nation.
जावेद अख्तर साहब ने एक बड़ा अच्छा लाइन बोला है, आंखों में अगर हैरानियां लेकर चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम। आंखों में अगर हैरानियां लेकर चल रहे हो तुम तब जिंदा हो। नजर में ख्वाबों की बिजलियां लेकर चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम। There should be that instinct in us. Every second it is dying. Every second it is dying. I know a lot of people's heartbeat is becoming very faster. Okay, are you busier than the Prime Minister Modi ji? No, it seems like that. You cannot give one day. I'm not asking one day. You have come at 9 o'clock maybe. Just today I'm asking you. Tomorrow you're not going to have such type of environment anywhere in this world, I'm telling you. Because the world is very small. Huh? Yeah, because हमारी दुनिया बहुत छोटी है sir. Because I cannot go to America right now, okay? I cannot go to UK, okay? So this is my world and I made this world, okay? This is manufactured by this Adna Insan, right? Okay, so you must support me at least, okay? Just say. वो तो कहते हैं ना क्या, what was the statement? हम तो अकेले ही चले थे मंजिले जानिब, लोग जुड़ते गए और कारवां बनता गया। You need me to heed you. I won't be there with everyone. Yes, my words will be there, by the way, because I am on YouTube channel. You can watch me there, okay? If you really want to see, okay, and listen something, you can just go to YouTube channel, okay? All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I cannot speak a lot of shero shairi because I don't know that. You enjoy it, I know. But एक last में बोल देता हूँ. That's it. Very beautiful, and I always speak in the class, and that is not related to education. That is related to enjoyment, actually. Okay? All right. छुप छुप के एहतरामे सफर का पता चला. छुप छुप के एहतरामे सफ़र का पता चला, वो मर गया तो उसके हुनर का पता चला. अभी ताली नहीं बजाना, ठीक है? वो मर गया तो उसके हुनर का पता चला. जब एक एक फूल जब एक एक फूल उड़ा ले गई हवा, उस दिन बहार को मेरे घर का पता चला. नाउ मेंटेन करके रखिएगा एनर्जी को. ओके, नाउ प्लीज कॉल दिस गाइस.
Yeah. So, as she was talking about money, I just remembered something that I would love to share with you, which is making money is important, not for buying everything, but so that no one could buy you. Ladies and gentlemen, with this note, I would love to call a student who is going to make you understand about mistake or proof that you are trying. I would love to invite Miss Dipti ma'am with a huge round of applause.
Dipti ma'am is actually very busy, but still she has taken out time for us from morning. She's there. She has also
All the
a
best,
lot of
ma'am.
assignments and all. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. This is very warm afternoon. Yeah. Today I would like to start with simple truth, that is mistakes. Mistakes is not a setback. Mistakes are stepping stones to success. This is very true. No one climbs a ladder in one step. You move up rung by rung. सीढ़ी दर सीढ़ी चढ़ना होगा. And that rungs are called in life mistakes. Every mistakes you make is not pulling you down. It is lifting you up. Even if you learn from it, either it will not do anything. Sometimes one mistake we think our life, our future is finished. But let me say something important. Success is not built on perfection. Success is built on practice. And that practice includes mistakes. Think about that. When you were learning to ride a bicycle and you fell, you cried, even you got hurt. But did you quit? No. Because deeply inside you knew every fall was teaching you balance. In the real life, every fall, every mistake teaches you discipline. Every fall, every mistake teaches you courage, teaches you direction. Even students, you know, your exam teaches you this lesson. First attempt, confusion. Second attempt, improvement. And third attempt, confidence. Let me say it loudly. The world is full of advice. The world is full of advice from those people who never tried.
Wow, what a nice statement. Seriously. Okay.
History doesn't remember comfort seeker. History always remember risk taker.
Can you clap?
You know Michael Jordan? Michael Jordan was a basketball player.
Right.
Michael Jordan was dropped from the school basketball team. Instead of quitting, he trained himself more harder than others. Later he said, I have failed over and over again. That is why I am succeed. I was talking about Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was the one of the greatest leader in history. Abraham Lincoln lost elections repeatedly. He mocked, he defeated, he rejected, but he didn't surrender. He stood up again and became a greatest leader in the history. Now, ask yourself, if they stopped after one mistake, even we knew their name, let me clear these things. Quitting is far more painful than failing. Failure teaches lessons. Quitting gives you regret. And at that time, it will forever. So, I want to say you something. Winner is not those who never fail. Winner are those who never quit. So, stand strong, rise fearless, and keep climbing. I came across some Hindi lines, if I may recite it here. मैं गिरी तो लोगों ने हंसकर पूछा, मैं गिरी तो लोगों ने हंसकर पूछा, देखो फिर से ठोकर खाई। लेकिन ये किसी ने नहीं पूछा, उठकर चलने की ताकत कहाँ से आई। हर गलती ने मुझसे कुछ कहा है, हर हार ने मुझसे कुछ सिखाया। सही तो किताबों में था दोस्त, सही तो किताबों में था, पर जीवन मैंने गलतियों से पाया। आज मंच पर कहती हूँ खुलकर, मुझे अपनी गलती पर गर्व है, क्योंकि उन्हीं गलतियों ने जीने का हिम्मत दिया और उन्हीं गलतियों ने जीतने का असली अर्थ समझाया। Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your angelic words. Okay, how beautifully she has shared all the things. This is said very beautifully in English. Giving up is the birth of regret.
Right, sir.
Giving up is the birth of regret. Okay, you want to leave, right? I have no issues, but I have a lot of issues. Okay, if you want to leave, you can leave. Thank you very much for your time, okay, for your support and for everything. Later on, we'll keep talking about it, okay? Next student, she will go on.
I'm calling a boy whose talent knows no bounds, and he is Mr. Kaushik Basu. Please come on the stage. Have a thunder and applause for.
Hello, Assemblian. A very good afternoon, very warm good afternoon to one and all presents here. Today we all are here, sitting for a long time. My respected judges who got bored by judging from a long time, and my respected anchors who got bored from a long time. But I want to ask my anchor one question. She was calling everyone by taking their topic's name. But why didn't she take my topic name? Because I'm not going to talk about any topic. Today, I'm not going to talk about any topic. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the most habit of our life. Today, I'm going to talk about atomic habit. Guys, we all the time need some shortcuts. We all the time want to achieve our goal very fast. Can you tell me, is that right? No, that is not right. Everything takes their own time. Just think about an old man who is reading newspaper. Can you tell me, how many of you are reading newspaper on the daily basis? Only one hand. Only one hand. What is this? Guys, can you imagine how do a boy, a girl become a national champion, a cricketer, a hockey player?
Yes, while practicing.
By practicing. Practicing on the daily basis. They do practice daily, regularly, but with full discipline. Just think about this boy, this girl who read newspaper daily. How they started their journey? Have they started their journey by reading whole the newspaper? Have they started their journey with the whole newspaper? No. They started reading first day by headline, second day by headline, third day by headline, and after day they started reading whole newspaper without realizing. Ladies and gentlemen, the cricketer, the boy play on the daily basis. What do you think? They don't get injured in their life? Yes or no? They don't get injured in their life? Yes, they got injured. But they again wake up at the early morning. But what do? All the time we snooze our alarm and we again sleep? Are we going to become a national champion? No, never, ever. We all the time think about the school, the success, but we forgot to think about the path. The path that will help us to achieve our success. Guys, we all the time put our first step toward our success, but we forgot that if we have put in our first step towards success, it means we can put our second step also. A great Englishman written that we are the average of 5 people among whom we are living. Our activity, our language, our way of speaking, our health, our mentality, all are average of that 5 people. So what do you think? What we need for improving ourselves? We need to change that society. We need to become Assemblian. Guys, we all the time think that what is the answer of this question. But have you ever imagined which type of question you are asking? Have you ever think about the question what you want in your life? We all the time want a great answer. Did we ask a great question? Ask from yourself. Have you ever asked a good question to find a great answer? I know this sun is trying to burn us, but we are now ready to fight with the sun. At last, I will speak only one Sanskrit sloka. Saneh panthe saneh kanthe saneh parvat mastake saneh vidya saneh vittam panchetani saneh saneh. Guys, let me explain this Sanskrit sloka. Every path is walked step by step. Saneh panthe. Every cloth is stitched thread by thread. Saneh kanthe. Every mountain is climbed rock by rock. Saneh parvat mastake. Knowledge grows. How? Pace by pace. Saneh vidya. Wealth built coin by coin. Saneh vittam. Step by step, slowly and steadily. We all the time in our life rush. We all the time in our life need a quick success. But have you ever asked yourself, will that quick success remain with you? Guys, at the nutshell, I will speak only one line. Don't rush the process. Trust the process. Thank you. Thank you so much for your kind support.
Okay. ये अलग ही कंपटीशन है। इस कंपटीशन में आपको जान करके हैरानी होगी, इसमें माँ और बेटा दोनों कॉन्टेस्ट कर रहे हैं। क्लैप करो इस चीज के लिए। Okay, so I want to snatch your chance actually. Okay, so I would like to call actually a motherly personality. Okay, and a lot of students. Okay, she has only 2 children, right? Okay, but in SMB English, she has got a lot of children, and a lot of students say the mother. Mosmi, stand up, clap. No, you won't clap, she will clap for your mom. Come, Nikki ma'am, please give a huge round of respect actually. No, it's not done. This is very very sad यार. आप लोग कैसे हो यार? बोलना पड़ता है. Okay, मैम, हम उसको भी बेस्ट ऑफ लक बोलते हैं, आपको भी बोलते हैं. Okay, alright.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thanks a lot. Respected Basar sir, judges, guardians, guests, anchors, and all present here, a very warm good afternoon. Good afternoon. Today, I want to speak on a topic that does not change individual lives, but the very foundation of a progressive society. There is no greater pillar of stability than educated, strong and free women. Guys, have you ever seen or noticed when you educate a man, you may empower one individual, but when you educate a girl, and when you educate a woman, you empower an entire family, an entire community, an entire nation. A woman plants the first seed of wisdom into every human life. To neglect her education, a woman is the first teacher of every home, because she is not a student of knowledge. She guides us. She nurtures us. She passes on value in the next generation. History shows us that societies that ignore to the society women's education and women's empowered remain trapped in poverty, ignorance and inequality. कोमल है कमजोर नहीं तू, शक्ति का नाम ही नारी है, जग को जीवन देने वाली मौत भी तुझसे हारी है. These lines remind us, yes guys, these lines remind us a woman is not a burden to be carried. A woman is not a burden to be carried, the strength that carries society. Educated women contribute to healthier families, better educated children, and a stronger economics. Then stand the importance of health, hygiene, equality, and moral values. Women's education plays a vital role in the ending of social levels like child marriage, dowry, and discrimination. An educated woman is aware of her rights. Education gives women the courage to question injustice, and the wisdom to choose what is right. Yet even today many girls are deprived of education due to poverty, gender bias, and outdated traditions. This is not so. This is not a loss of girls. It is a loss for humanity. It is a loss for entire nation. As Swami Vivekananda said, that country, that nation, that country and that nation, they do not respect women, they never become great nor will ever be. And educating a woman is not an act of charity, it is investment in the future. Governments can make policies, a schools begins open doors, but the real change begins when a society changes its mindset and families believe that a girl's education is as important as a boy's. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have to understand that a girl's education is as important as a boy's. Let's remember, an educated woman builds a strong home. And a strong home builds a strong society, and a strong society builds a strong nation. Now I want to speak a Hindi poem. शिक्षा और नारी। आज समय की यही पुकार, शिक्षा नारी का अधिकार। आज समय की यही पुकार, शिक्षा नारी का अधिकार। धरती पर स्वर्ग वहाँ, धरती पर स्वर्ग वहाँ, शिक्षित नारी है जहाँ। शिक्षा अनमोल गहना है जिसको नारी ने पहना है। शिक्षा है अनमोल रत्न, पढ़ने का तुम करो यत्न, क्योंकि समय समय की यही पुकार, शिक्षा नारी का अधिकार। Some people still ask, why educate so much girls? Why educate girls so much? And my answer is simple. Why not? They are not weak. They are not meant only household duties. They are scientists, doctors, engineers, and change makers. Yes, a woman is a change maker. From Kalpana Chawla to Malala Yousafzai, educated women have shown the world dreams have no gender. Dreams have no gender. So, at last, I would like to say, if you want to educate a woman, that's why you empower a nation. And give them book instead of burdens, opportunities instead of obstacles, and respect instead of obstructions. Restrictions also. पंखों को खोल, जमाना सिर्फ उड़ान देखेगा। पंखों को खोल, जमाना सिर्फ उड़ान देखेगा। शिक्षा का दीप जलाकर तो देख, अंधेरा मिटेगा। बेटी पढ़ेगी तभी तो देश महान बनेगा, तभी तो देश महान बनेगा। Thank you for giving me this your precious time, and thanks a lot. Have a nice day.
Well done.
What a beautiful thought it was about women from a woman. So, ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to tell you now the guy who is going to come, he will talk about the thing which we are doing. I mean about English. I don't want to take a lot of time of yours. I would love to invite Mr. Abhinav on stage with a huge round of applause. Please welcome.
Thank you, Miss Alia, for calling me on the stage with a great introduction. Learning English in SMB is just like opening a new window from where you can see the world. A very cool afternoon to one and all present here, dear judges, my seniors, and parents. Before starting, I just want to ask you all a question. What do you all think the condition of Bihar when we talk about English? What do you all think? It's not so good, bad. See, we say India is back, not so high tech. First, think about Bihar. It's so back among the other states. When somebody says you, these Biharis, how do you feel? Actually, I also don't feel good. So, I can give a perfect comparison between Bihar to other states. Since I have studied in the hills of West Bengal since from 4 years, and the environment they have made this mind-blowing, gorgeous. Like the student, they keep learning, they enjoy learning English, but we say what is English? See, English isn't a language, it's a passport to the world, unlocking opportunities and connecting the two souls. The government, they are investing their capitals in educational fields much, but our government is stuck in the politics, industries and many fellow things. See, the teacher, they first kill the fear, generate confidence, and then they focus on something else. And if you all don't believe, there's a great example in front of you on the stage. See, opportunity will they will never knock your door. You have to do hard work. And your hard work will break the door between you and opportunity. And your opportunity will follow you. It will beg you. It's my promise to you and one another present. So now I want to give some of the points in front of you all in which English are very useful. Like economic growth. English are used in private sectors. And nowadays many software are English based. Link language. There are officially 121 language in India. And we cannot speak all. But if you know English, you can. Which become very easier to you in many purpose. Why West Bengal, UP, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, they has English the official language. Why not Bihar? Because we don't focus, we ignore all it. To be fair and scared to a state. Promise, we are the generation who can develop Bihar, who can do it. And that time, the people will say you, wow, Bihar is so grateful. And that time you'll think in your heart, you'll ask yourself, wow, I've done something great in my life. See, there's a great saying, a journey of 1,000 miles start with a single step. So keep your first step today, not tomorrow, not day tomorrow. After a month, you'll get success. At lastly, I just want to say, Augustine has told, this world is a book and those should not travel, they read only a page. If you want to read a page, it's fine for you. But if you don't, if you want to travel, you must know English, because without English, you are just like a human without its soul. So thank you for giving your time attention to me.
What a beautiful speech, but it was not a speech, it was his experience, I think. And now I'm going to call a phenomenal speaker, and he is Mr. Shivam. About trust topic. I would like to see that trust is like a glass. Trust is like a glass, and once it's broken, it can never be the same again. So trust in yourself.
Good morning, guys. My honorable teacher and our
Only 2 students are left. Shamsujit
and our expected guests. Before I start, I would like to ask you one question. Guys, what do you think? What's the most expensive thing in the world? Is it gold or is it diamond? I think none of them. Because if gold breaks, if diamond lost, you can buy them again. But, there is one thing, if it's once gone, once lost, no amount of effort or money can bring it back, and it's Our trust, guys. It's our trust. Trust is not just 5 words of English. It is something relies in our heart. Trust is the kind of invisible thread which connects one heart to another. Trust is like something without it, even the biggest building collapses. But with trust, you can achieve the biggest challenges of the world, guys. You can achieve the biggest challenges. In our society, trust is something like you can't see it, you can't feel it, but without it, we can't even survive. Guys, if people trust each other, harmony becomes stronger. If people trust each other, harmony becomes stronger. But if you trust each other, India's future becomes brighter. India's future becomes brighter. I would like to say one thing. I would like to say one thing, that if I think about myself, I'll bright my future. If I think about myself, I'll bright only my future. If you think about yourself, you will bright only your future. But we as a whole think about ourselves, we will bright India's future, we will bright India's future. That's all, guys. Thank you.
Should I? Yeah, you should. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you one thing. There is only 2 students are left, so don't get bored. Just be connected because you are a wonderful audience. So show your some respect to us as well. Well, I think this is for our, judge. You are going to be, confused whom to select, whom not to select, because everybody is giving their best, right? So on this note, I would love to call someone else. And I think, what do you think? Should I call okay, then as per you, I would love to call Mr. Chanjit on stage with a huge round of applause.
All the best.
So, good afternoon, everyone.
I just thought
I am staying here to make you think on a practical topic, that is leadership. So, ladies and gentlemen, do you know what is leadership? Can anyone tell?
Yeah, it is a responsibility.
Okay. So, leadership.
It is a trust.
As you know, in our country or everywhere, it is misunderstood that leaders are only those who have power, who have authority, and who have something big. But that is wrong. Leaders are those who have the courage to take the responsibility when everyone takes a step back. As Hindi poet Rashtravi Ramdhani Singh Dinkar said, क्षमा सौंपती उस भुजंग को जिसके पास गरल हो, उसको क्या जो दंतहीन विषहीन विनीत सरल हो. As you can take the example of practical, that whenever accidents happens in our daily life, 99% took the videos of that accidents and only 1% come forward to help, and that is called the leader. So you know, if you want to be a leader, you have to ask yourself just 3 questions. That who am I? How I came here and where I would like to go. Because a German philosopher beautifully said that the person who doesn't know where he wants to go, the person who doesn't know where he wants to go, any wind cannot be favorable for him.
Right.
So, I want to ask you one thing. How many of you know about Indo-Pak War of 1971? Can you raise your hands? How many of you know about Indo-Pak 1971 wars? Okay. So it's the Bangladesh Liberation War. In that war, we have a Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army. And he was the first Field Marshal of Indian Army. and he have given the chance that you have to fight with the Pakistan by our honorable Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. But he said, ma'am, I cannot directly fight. I have to give some time to our soldiers because leader does not rush the process. It takes time and then fire. Then he assessed all the logistics and informations about both of his soldiers. And after that, you know what was the unexpected results. 93,000 Pakistani soldiers surrendered on the Indian soldiers' foot. So, in our life, if you want to be a leader, it's not about power and authority. It's about the responsibility that we have on our soldier. And you can take example from here. A leader like Basar sir, he's handling all of us. He's supporting with respect, without demanding anything. So it is beautifully said that वह प्रदीप जो दिख रहा है झिलमिल दूर नहीं है, थक कर बैठ गए क्या भाई, मंजिल दूर नहीं है, मंजिल दूर नहीं है. So you must have to take your step forward and take the chance always as an initiator, because if you want the comfort in your life, you cannot become a good leader. Thank you for listening to me.
He has proved that leadership is not about position, it's about responsibility. Now I am going to speak a Hindi quote that is, रख हौसला वो मंजर भी आएगा, रख हौसला वो मंजर भी आएगा, प्यासे के पास चल के समुंदर भी आएगा, थक कर ना बैठे मंजिल की मुसाफिर, थक कर ना बैठे मंजिल के मुसाफिर, मंजिल भी मिलेगा और मंजिल मिलने का मजा भी आएगा.